The financial tech sector as a whole goes into a tailspin after PayPal announces their recent quarterly earnings report. Listen, I've never really been a big fan of PayPal, to be quite honest. I don't think that they have much. I can't say that they don't have brand name because they do have a very big user base, but I think that's just because they've been in the game long enough. Listen, their earnings showed some weak guidance going forward, which just sent the whole sector. I think that there's just so much volatility in the market right now that you could be holding a stock that's good and their arch nemesis can show weak signs, and it's spilling over. Everything's spilling over. Some of the stuff doesn't make sense, and then some of the stuff just doesn't make sense. So that's why I'm very careful on trading earnings. I actually almost made a call to do some Snapchat buys right before earnings. Stock jumps up 41%. So kicking myself in the you know what right now. But yeah, just be very, 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 very careful because stuff like this is happening. And personally, I think that there's opportunity in the financial tech sector. PayPal still might even be an opportunity here at, down whatever, 20%, whatever it is. And y'all know I can't not talk about the financial sector without mentioning Block, also known as Square, also known as Cash App, also known as, we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it after pay. Shout out Square, shout out Block. But Block is down 63% year to date from its high in August, right? And I personally believe that this is a good buying opportunity for Block. I think that it's just a game changer what they're doing with Cash App. And I mentioned it in plenty of my videos before. So if you don't know how I feel about Square and Block, just know that I love them. And I wouldn't be doing none of this without Cash App, realistically. So their technology has changed my life. And I think that they're going to continue to change everybody's life. What makes them a little bit more volatile right now at the moment is their whole shift to the whole blockchain technology. People think that means just shift to Bitcoin. And although that part of it does mean it's a shift to Bitcoin, it is a shift to Bitcoin, but it's more a shift to the technology that makes Bitcoin possible, which is the blockchain. Right now it's volatile because people don't understand it. Investors don't fully get it. Even I don't fully get it. But I'm not missing out on the opportunity. And I'm not telling you to do that, right? You need to make the best decision for you. I'm just here to bring some topics to light so that you can start using your little Google box in your hand, right? But if that wasn't enough for y'all, Square Block also has announced recently that they have acquired Afterpay. The whole buy now, pay later area is getting crowded quick. And I don't know how beneficial this will be for Afterpay, but what makes it interesting, for Block as a company, but what makes it interesting is that they're talking a lot of global talks. There's a lot of global talks, and they're showing it because they've newly appointed a board member with global experience to the Stripe board. And that excites me a little bit because, I don't know, I may be forward thinking this too much. Y'all let me know if I'm tripping, right? Jack Dorsey moved to Africa, right? I think he's trying to bring Cash App, Stripe, Square to Africa. I don't even know if that's possible. But if he can make it happen, you do know that I think that Jack Dorsey will be one of the leaders of the blockchain technology. And I think that's a wild statement. People are going to hear me and say that, but I'm just putting all this together now. Twitter just made it possible for you to attach your NFT, to realistically attach your NFT to your Twitter page where people can see details and who bought what and this and that, right? Cash App holds Bitcoin. If he can find a way to integrate everything, listen, I'm a strong believer in Cash App. I always will be until I see the signs that it just doesn't make sense. I think that this part of financial tech is needed in our society. It makes us feel a little bit free. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about Block or about financial tech. Would you buy PayPal or would you buy Square, also known as Block? Let me know in the comment section below. Shout out to all my future millionaires watching this right now. If you're interested in joining the Future Millionaires Discord chat. Listen, I'm going to tell you, it's very simple how to join. Shoot me a DM above on my Instagram or Twitter, and I will get you the link. It's free to join. So hurry up before I change my mind. Right? We're just a group of investors looking to build generational wealth through sharing resources and having daily financial conversations. So hurry up and go. Hit me up. I'm excited for the future of financial technology. If you share those thoughts with me, if you share those similar thoughts, let me know in the comment section below. Hey, y'all have a good rest of y'all day.